Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from chapter 23 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. So, today's section is section 157A. The title is Protection of Security of India. Fine? Okay. So, let us go through the key points. Even though, or you can refer the Barrett as well, because I have written here the gist and the words are not same to the Barrett. So just refer that. Okay, fine. So let us continue. Even though anything contained in this act, actually, even though or despite of or in spite of or notwithstanding, we can read this as notwithstanding anything contained in this act, or we can use these words also. And here I have written this just to making the understanding more clear, nothing else. Fine? Okay. So let me start. Let me continue. Even though anything contained in this act, the central government clause A, shall not, or we can continue like this, shall not disclose any information relating to any patentable invention or any application relating to the grant of patent under this act that it considers as prejudicial to the interest of security of India. Fine, just observe the underlined words. And clause B says, I will read it continuing shall. Okay, so government shall take any action including the revocation of any patent which it considers necessary for the security of India by issuing a notification in the official gazette. Okay friends, just observe the underlined words. Okay, so these two clauses, these are describing how to protect the security of India. That means to protect the security India, what kinds of steps are taken. First of all, in clause A, we have discussed that it shall not disclose any information regarding any patent, granted patent or patent invention, application, etc. Patent application, etc. Okay, that is which one? Which kind of patent applications? That are prejudicial to the security of India. Fine. And clause B says that the government shall take any action including the revocation. That means it may revocate any patent if it considers or if it realizes the fact that in some way it is not good for the security of India. Okay, or we can say that to revocate the particular specific patent is a necessity for the security of India. So that's why a notification in the official gazette is issued. Fine. Okay. Explanation, just take a look. For the purposes of this section, the expression security of India includes any action necessary for the security of India which, subclause 1 or bit 1, relates to fissionable materials or the materials from which they are derived. Okay? Or subclause 2 relates to the traffic in arms, ammunition and implements of war and to such traffic in other goods and materials as is carried or directly on directly or indirectly for supplying a military establishment. Okay, or subclause 3 or bit 3 is taken in time of war or other emergency in international relations. Fine. So these are the conditions. Okay, so observe the underlined words. Fissionable materials. Fission, this word you must have learned. I think you must have heard this word. Fission and fusion, that we come across this word from nuclear fusion, etc. Fine. So all these three clauses are related to the arms and ammunition and fissionable materials and the things that are taken considered in the time of war or any emergency in international relations. Fine. So here for reference only I have written some synonyms of the word notwithstanding, and the synonyms are in spite of something, despite, regardless of something. Okay, and for all that, although, even though, etc., etc. Okay, so friends, this way section 157A is completed. So please go through my video, please go through the barrack as well. Please share my video among your friends and please put down your queries in my comment box. Please click a like if you really like it, and put your valuable comments and compliments in my comment box. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay friends, thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you so much for your patience for watching my video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.